Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the money bookmark diamond. Let's go! Fold in half, unfold. Fold both upper edges to the center line. Turn over and fold the left excess part down. Unfold this part and fold using the creases. Fold the left corner to the top. Fold the right part as I'm showing. Fold both corners to the edge. Unfold and fold the excess part to the left pocket. Fold the top back. Unfold and fold it inside. The origami is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!